One of the things that we are often asked about regarding errors is dashboards. So in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the things Minerva has done regarding dashboards. As you can see, when I log in, my starting page is a collection of dashboards. You can access the dashboards by going to the table of content under category dashboards. But the most used way is, of course, to set these dashboards as a starting page for users. So per user, you can go in and decide who should have this as a dashboard. Under the action menu, you get a list of all the dashboards that we have, and you can select which ones you want to have. As you can see, we have predefined a lot of different dashboards. They are going on project management, change management, time to manufacturing, and so on. The dashboards can also be rearranged. So you can basically drag and drop around to get them to be exactly where you want. Also, you can work on deciding what is it that you want to see. So do you want to see the legends or not? You can customize the information that is shown in the chart cell tooltip. You can also use these dashboards to actually get more information. So by clicking it, it will open the search grid that will give you the ability to search the information that is shown in the dashboard. If you need to use one of these dashboards in the report, you can very easily save it as an image. And here are just an example of a few more dashboards that we have made.